Look at that. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to Fit 550. Thank you all so much for joining me. Did you guys just see what I made? Well, if you didn't see it, you guys, I'm going to put it up on the screen again so you can check it out. Maybe you were adjusting the volume, maybe you were wiping glasses, okay, but that is worth seeing again. What I made, you guys, is a lemon brownie. Yes, a lemon brownie. I had not heard of it either. I came across that recipe. I decided to keto-fy it, and you guys, you see the end results. I love, love, love a brownie. I love a lemon bar, and it's like those two were smashed together, after the chocolate, of course, and it's just perfect for the summer. It's tangy, it's sweet, and it speaks summer. So you guys, if you are excited about it, just as I am excited about it, I am putting the ingredients on the screen. Get those together. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-measure. You guys throw me right back here, okay? And we are going to make some lemon brownies. See you soon. Okay, everyone, so everything that we need to put together these lemon brownies have been pre-measured, and let's get to baking. So to this bowl, I'm going to add the eggs, and that is the oven, you guys. That has been preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, let's whisk these eggs. Now, theoretically, this recipe, you can make this in one bowl. But because I pre-measure everything, as you can see, I've got several containers. But if you want to spare yourself the cleanup, feel free to measure as you go along and just use the one bowl. All right? I got some avocado oil here. Some sour cream. Okay, now this is smooth, and to it we are going to add some lemon juice. We need some zest from the lemon. And this is what I use, guys, to zest that lemon. I got this from Amazon, and I will leave the code in my description. All right, you guys, and these are the wet ingredients. So to it, I am going to put in the dry ingredients. We've got our almond flour, some coconut flour, some baking soda, some salt, and we've got some sweetener. All right, you guys, and we're just gonna mix that together. All right, everyone. So let's mix this together until everything is well combined. And as you can see, I clear the set because that's just what I do. I am one of these people that needs to clean as I cook. All right, you guys, and here we have it. We've got our batter. So I'm going to bring the baking dish over, and we're going to put this in there, and then we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, we have our parchment line, baking dish. Put this batter in there, spread it out. and then we will be ready to bake. Okay, you guys, so spread this out until it's even edge to edge. And you should smell this lemon. Again, the smell of this lemon is fresh. It is tangy, and it's just so reminiscent of summer. And here we have it. Off to the oven this goes. Okay, everyone, so while the lemon brownies are baking, let's go ahead and make the glaze. So to this bowl, I am going to zest some more lemon. So we're going to end up with lemon on lemon, you guys, as far as flavor is concerned. And next, I'm going to add some powdered sweetener. And I don't keep powdered sweetener in my kitchen. I keep the regular granulated sweetener. So what I do is I take the granulated sweetener, I put it in my NutriBullet, and I blend it until I get a powder, you guys. I'm not one to keep stuff in my pantry if it's not something that I typically use, and if there is an alternative. And this works perfectly. So if you've not seen me use my NutriBullet before, this is what it looks like. And you guys, I got this off of Amazon. So if you're interested in this, I tell you my kitchen would not be the same without it. I will leave this in the description as well. Okay. Okay, and we're going to add some lemon juice to this to make it even more lemony than with just the zest. Okay. Let's start with this, and of course I can always add more if needed. And you guys, in order to get the consistency that I want for the glaze, I am also going to add some unsweetened almond milk. And you guys, we have ourselves a lemon glaze, and it's got beautiful specks of lemon in it. Perfect consistency. So at this point, all we need to do is wait for those brownies to come out of the oven, let them cool, and we are going to put this glaze on it. And then you guys, those will be ready to serve. All right, everyone, this is hot out of the oven. So what we're gonna do is we are going to let it sit and cool down. And then we are going to put the glaze on it, and then it'll be time to give this a try. Okay, everyone, this has cooled enough so that we can go ahead and put this glaze on it. So I am going to lift it out of this pan. Look how easy that was. Love it. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if I can slide it off. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it on this paper, and we're gonna go ahead and glaze this. And when I tell you, this room smells like lemon. So, so, so good. All right, you guys, now it's time to cut into this. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Here you have it, you guys. We have got ourselves a lemon brownie that has been keto-fied. So all your low carb, keto friendly family and friends can have at it. Look at that. Absolutely moist, lemony, Oh my goodness, and so delicious. Give it a try, you guys. And when you do, leave in your comments and let me know just how wonderful that is. And then give this video a like, thumbs up, share, because that's how YouTube knows that you appreciate this content and they will continue to spread it around. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special with fabulous finds such as this lemon brownie. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see y'all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys. That was so good.